Tiana. There's your fan mail bag.
This is huge. I can hide behind.
Peekaboo above then. Let's have a look. Where are you? Is that you, right? All right. So, let's see what we've got. Okay. Okay. Oh.
There's so much fan mail. Thank you, everybody! Yay! And look, this one's a Christmas wrapping.
That's got Frozen on it, hasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think we should definitely open it.
Of course, we're going to try and open as much as we can, guys. Like in the last fan mail video, we didn't read all the letters, but we showed you the letters. And that we opened quite a lot more, didn't we? Because we did it that way.
Yeah, but we'll say who it's from though, but we'll try to read some letters if we can, so we can try to open as much fan mail as we...
So let me leave a little gap so I can see you, Tiana, because you're disappearing.
I don't think that it's as much as the last time.
Well, it's a lot, Tiana, still, it's a lot.
Last time, was I under my nose?
Yeah.
But it seemed like that. Anyway.
Shall we go for it?
Yes, and my dad might open a few as well.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand opening the letters. Then we can get more done then, yeah?
So...
You can have the first pick.
I'm going to do this first.
You're going to need some of these.
Just like Christmas. Really like
It's like Christmas for you, Tiana, yes.
Yeah, especially this one.
So that must be the letter?
There's like
Blind Eye.
It says My Little Pony on it.
Do you want me to open that for you?
Yep, I'll just get everything else out. And then this bit here must be the letter.
Okay.
It says who it's from just there.
Right. Oh, this is from the first one you've opened. Guess who is it? Guess who it's from?
Who?
I can't get my words out then. Esme. The little girl.
Oh, yeah!
There it is. Yeah.
This one's Shopkins.
And this one is My Little Pony.
And this one's My Little Pony as well.
So there's your first toy.
This is so cute. Fluttershy.
So that's Esme. Sent you that one. And she sent you what? So this is from Esme as well, yeah?
Yeah. And one envelope just fell on the floor there, but that isn't from Esme. But I'm going to.
It might be because you've only opened one. Oh, that's another letter.
That fell on the floor.
Okay, Esme, I'm opening this for you.
And I'm opening the Shopkins.
Oh, Tiana, she likes My Little Pony.
Oh.
Look at all those keyrings, they're so cute.
I've got to put some of these on my bag.
You could put them in a school bag.
Yeah, especially Rainbow Dash and Rarity and maybe Pinkie Pie.
Wow. So let's see what she's wrote.
Anyway, let's see the Shopkins. There might be more than one, but...
So there's the letter.
Very nice. Look which Shopkins she sent me!
Wow. I'll read this one because it's short. My name is Esme. I come from Derby. I am 9 years old. I sent you this because I know you love Shopkins and My Little Pony. I love your videos so much. Lots of love, Esme. I think this is another Esme because she says she's 9 years old.
Yes.
So there's two Esmes then? Okay, well thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Esme. And I just realised I got both of these, but now I've got a pair of shoes. Right.
So you've got a pair, oh right, because you've already got one. So now you've got the other.
Yeah.
They'll fit you?
No. So let's see the other ones.
Okay.
Here it is.
Alright, so I'm going to move on
Where are
to
your Shopkins?
this one.
I can see the top of one. Gosh, I can't even get into it.
Some more toys there.
Thank you.
You got, is that a squishy? Yeah, you got a squishy pop?
I don't have this one yet.
No.
No, and it's ultra rare as well. Thank you, Esme. And this one, there's something like stickies. I forgot what they're called. And then this is a rubber. I think I'll put that in my pencil case at school.
So Sophie just sent you those.
Thank you, Sophie.
And this is the letter.
And there's
Cute
one
little
more.
picture there, look.
Ah.
That's Sophie's.
There's one more Shopkin in here.
So you're still opening Esme. Wow, is that sweeps?
Yeah, I don't have this one either. And also, I got sweets in 2 other colours, but I got 3 sweets because they're all different.
Yeah. The colour you've got's like a yellow. Yeah.
I got a yellow one and a pink.
I can remember seeing that. Right, I'm going to open this one.
Gosh, that one took a while to open.
Right, shall I move these down here then? Yeah, so you've got a bit of room.
Okay.
Right, okay.
And I'm going to go for this one. It's got some nice stickers at the front. There's even Shopkins stickers. Look at these stickers.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to open it. I love fan mail videos.
Wow, peekaboo inside of here. What have we got? That's cool. Plush.
Secret Life of Pets! Oh.
Diamond.
We can also use this for the Critter Bomb.
The Corona Bomb Challenge, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a minion?
Yes.
Minion.
Yeah. We both did it at the same time, but also in a different sort of a way.
Okay, let's see who that's from then.
Diamond. Whoa, it's also see-through. So, oh, it's got some Shopkins inside of here.
Amy sent you those, Plush.
Thank you, Amy. It's got some cool pictures. They're Shopkins, I think.
There you go.
Taco
Yes.
Terry. I think that's the name. Taco
Yeah.
Terry, yay! So let's see. Ooh, got some blind bag. Then here's the letter. Do you want to find out who it's from?
So that's... Okay, that's one.
Pasta,
Oh,
pasta! I forgot this one's name. But still, thank you so much.
Olivia.
Thank you, Olivia. Right. Shall we see what's inside the blind bag? Small blind bag. Even though some things are small.
Please, can you put this in your next fan mail video?
Yes.
Well, yes. And I'm going to open it right now.
Oh, surprisingly, there's actually Shopkins in here. Look, got. I think this one's called Sweet Peas,
Okay.
and then the other one.
There you go, Tiana.
Not a Shopkins.
Let's see what's in this one.
Minion!
And look at this cute
That's a
emoji.
Emoji, that's actually really good. Got a silver pony as
And
well.
yeah, that's from Emma. The chain and the
That's
bracelet.
from what you just poured.
Yeah, Emma, that is. And here's the letter.
Look at this bracelet. Thank you, Emma. I'm not sure if this is one of them bracelets that you like snap and then they like light up. But
I'm not sure.
I think it's a bracelet. And then I got a loom band. And then this necklace.
It's cool. I'm going to open this one for you, Tiana. Yeah, this big
Oh,
box.
I'm looking forward to that one.
Okay.
This one's actually quite heavy. It's a little bit.
Okay, open that one
I'll
then.
open that to
Yeah.
find out. Okay. Ooh! Look, a head. What is it?
Good.
I remember.
Oh, that's cool, that isn't it? That's
Yeah.
cool.
And I also got a ring. I got this off a cake before.
Is there a letter in there with that?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Sure there is.
Find out who sent you that.
So thank you so much.
Oh, some cool drawings there.
Ooh, got some stickers and look who's on it. Princess Tiana.
Oh, that's from Jessica Coley. There you go.
Thank you. This is like bendy actually. Feel it, it's like a bendy.
Tiana, look at the goodies inside.
Ooh, looks like some candy.
Yeah, Haribo's. Oh, you've got, I can see. Wow, this is cool.
that drawing.
Look at that.
It's actually in the wrapper.
Yes, it is. And you've got Zelf.
Oh.
That's wicked. Harry.
Thank you
Haribo's.
so much.
And that is from Ellie Whiteman. And you know what she says? Tiana and Toys and Me rule.
Thank you so much. And
Cool.
I think I might as well open.
Go for it. It's not finished there though, Tiana.
Oh,
Have all this.
that's Hello Kitty.
Lollipop.
Yummy, yummy lollipop. This one's really easy to open, that was.
Loom bag.
Loom bag. Fuzzy.
Loom bag.
These are so cool, look. Fuzzy rabbit.
Oh, look at that cute packaging in there, look.
Oh.
That's wicked.
Is that on sellotape? 'Cause you might be
Yeah,
able
she's
to
taped
take
it on,
that
look.
out.
She's taped it on.
You might be able to take
Yeah,
that
of course you
out.
can. And there's a letter inside as well. Open me.
And I'm going to see.
Go, 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 go. I've not seen that one before.
Yes, a new one. Yes. Thank you. Even though you didn't know it was going to strike. But
I know.
thank you. Squishy, squishy, squishy. This one's squishier than normal, actually. Because normally they're not squishy. I'll just move these down here.
Right, well, there's the letter from Ellie.
Thank you, Ellie.
Yeah.
And
Wanna-
I can see through
Have a
the
go reading it then.
paper. I can see through the paper.
Oh, right.
Is that a puppy? That's a puppy, isn't it?
Yeah. Read it then, Tiana. You might as well read that one now you've got
Yeah,
it.
it says, Dear Tiana, I love your videos. My name is Ellie and I am 10. My favourite videos are the Shopkins and the food challenges.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah. I hope you like your gifts. Of course I do. Love, Ellie. Thank you so much, Ellie. Yeah, yeah. And P.S. You're my favourite YouTuber.
Woohoo!
Yay.
Okay. That was really cool. Very nice of Ella. Right. Let's get on to this one then.
I'm doing this one.
Okay, let's race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can't even open this one. You're beating me so bad. Ooh.
Ooh, ooh. So I'm done, basically, kind of.
No, because you still got to open that.
That is not fair. No,
Yes.
I did it first, though. This one's tough.
Are they pom-pom chickens?
Pom-pom chicken.
Oh, wow.
These are so cute.
These are cool. Pom-pom chickens. Meet me.
That's the letter.
Oh, you got some cute cat
That's
kitty.
rubber.
Is that an eraser? And-
Pony.
oh, these chickens. I've got to
Wow,
get close-ups of those. They are cute.
I've got a fuzzy duck.
I'm trying to find the letter. Has that popped? Oh, is that it? Okay. Right.
I'm going to open this one that was inside.
These chickens. Trying to focus. Yeah, there you go.
So you're trying to focus.
Trying to focus on the camera.
Right, I think I might need
Let's
to
find out
hand
who
this.
sent you the chicks and things.
And then after, I think you might have to give me a hand on this.
I've got the best scissors for that. Come here then.
Yeah, but be careful because it's actually
Right at the top. Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you. Wow. Almost.
So we've got to the letter now. Who sent you the? Was it the chickens and the kitty? Yeah, and the eraser.
Yeah.
Okay, and they are from
Another one.
Francesca sent you those, the chickens. Francesca.
Thank you. Look, it's like they're tricking me. They put another envelope inside.
So you've had to open it twice.
Yeah. I might have to open it again.
And Francesca said, I loved the I love the Eat It or Wear It challenge with Isla and Summer.
Oh, that was fun and messy.
Yeah.
Right, let's see if there's another envelope inside.
You still opening that?
Yeah, because
Well, I'm moving on.
right, I
You
think
got there?
I'm at the end now. Yes.
What's in the side?
Says,
Oh, it's some. Oh.
Shopkins! Whoa! I don't
Let's have a look.
any of these yet. Thank you.
How do they know? Every time.
Look at this Zomling. Wait, I think it's a Zomling.
Do you know the name of them Shopkins? Tiana don't know.
Pudding cake
Do you?
and crackers.
Let's have the letter then. So who sent you those?
Oh, what's this? Oh, this is rubber. And then I got another sticky. Right.
Okay. Who's this
This
from?
rubber's in a wrapper, kind of. I'll just get
Poison
that out.
me.
Oh, look at it, fresh rubber. I think it's rubber. Yeah, it's rubber. Look.
Oh, just fine. From, is that Alexia? Alexia? Yeah, I think it's Alexia. Just there. Let's have a look. Boom. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you very, 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 very much. I'm going to...
Okay, so you just got some new Shopkins from Alexia?
Yay! And I... Oh,
Alexia.
Lots of people send me this wrapping, don't they?
Yeah.
I think this is the
I'm going to cut that with the scissors because they
No,
would.
it's already
Okay.
open.
How did you get in there so quick? Sticky fingers.
It was already open.
Was it?
Yeah.
Let's move some of these out of the way then.
Let's hope nothing's missing.
Oh yeah, that'd be a shame.
Oh,
Blind bags.
Look at that one in it.
I'll open this.
More blind bags. Got one blind bag there. Here's the letter.
Let's have a look. From Molly and Laurie. Rhyming names.
That's a good idea. Got some Luban.
So yeah, thank you very much, Molly and
Yeah.
Laurie.
Thank you so much.
Mari and Laurie. Marley and Laurie. Here we go. Next one.
Okay, I think I'll open after.
We've got a checklist.
Ooh, Shopkins.
We've got ring pops. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
Oh wow.
Season
Tiana. Shopkin. Open it up. And I've got a letter. And this is from Abigail.
Thank you.
That's a very nice letter from Abigail.
Okay, so I'm going to blind bag.
So what have you got, Shopkin? Come on, I want to know.
Yay! And there is the backpack. And I think I'm going to open the ring pop.
Moving on to another letter. This is from Ruth Samuel. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Cute drawings, look. From Ruth Samuel.
Yeah!
Super cool.
Look what it comes with.
Is that your ring pop?
Pet.
Oh, yeah. Taste time.
Oh, that's the best ring pop. The best ring pop I've ever put in my mouth.
Ripping this pinky.
Keeping you right.
From, oh, I need to pronounce this name right. Arisha.
Well, if we
Yeah, I think so.
I think they'll just let us know in the comments if we haven't.
Yeah.
But sorry if we have.
Yeah. Well, okay, Tiana. I'm going to keep this little letter and I'm going to pour and pour and pour.
Oh, yay!
So thank you.
Thank you. Blind bags. This one.
This is from Singapore.
Oh.
Wow. Exciting.
So it says to Tiana, and this one says to Tiana. So
Okay.
before me, so it's open.
Oh,
Huh?
we've got a bag, YouTube and some stickers
Ah!
all the way from Singapore. That's amazing.
This looks cool. I got a skeleton.
And she's 6
ring.
as well.
Wow. That's quite young now.
Yeah, I know. It's very kind of her, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we've got some drawings. She's drawn a picture of herself and you. Let me show you that. Cool. There, look, Tiana.
Oh,
Cute.
that's good. Now look at this. This was
What
in the
is
blind bag.
that?
I don't know if it's some sort of candy or.
I'm not sure, but it does look yummy. Look, guys.
Yeah, it does. And then there's one more thing in there.
Okay.
Rubber. And I need to open the other.
You're on the blind bags. You always get the blind bags.
Yummy blind bags.
You're on the blind bags. Let's get the blind bags.
I said yummy blind bags.
Yummy blind bags.
Look, I've been sent lots of rubbers today. I've got a dolphin one. Wow, I think it's a dolphin. It might be a whale.
Oh. Open. In fact,
One of them just fell on the floor.
You got a pony.
Wow, this is a big frozen rubber.
Is that a Smurf? I like Smurfs. I'm a Smurf, Smurf, Smurf. Oh, that is cool. That's what finish is that? Glitter finish. Look at that. That is cute.
Look at the size of this rubber. Thank you so much.
It came from. Let me have a look. Right. Let me see if I can pronounce the name. Whelan? Whelan?
Think so?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
And you got a picture of a. What is that?
Shopkins, I see.
Tum Tum.
Oh, now I see it.
Tum Tum.
Tum Tum or Zum Zum.
I know, Zum Zum. Is it Zum Zum or Tum Tum? Please let me know. Christiana, what do you call them?
A bit of both.
You a Zum Zum. I say Tum Tums.
Right, I'm going to open this one.
And I'm going to open this. Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
Okay.
Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Woo! So I got the letter. Look at this bow.
Tiana, Brian here has sent you a bag of toys.
Yeah.
Look at this. I mean, you're going to have to just move some out of the way a minute so you don't get mixed up.
Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa. What's inside still big? Ooh.
Oh!
Sticky, that is.
Wait.
That's cool. What's that? Is it like a fashion?
No.
So, Brian.
Thank you, Brian. And look, you see these? I think they're trash packs. I don't even know. They're like trash packs or grocery gang. Not
Yeah,
sure.
cool.
But
What about
they're
all
like
these?
Related. Right, I got some squishies.
Is that-
like
is that
squishy
like-
pops. Oh, we got a dolphin. Is this a dog? Got a
That looks like Uglies. From the Uglies Pet Shop dog, doesn't it?
doggy. Woo, woo.
Woo, 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 woo.
And
Right.
then got turtles. Yes. Star monsters. Yes. So
moving
thank
on.
you so much.
We've got something for you to wear. Let's have a look.
That tiara.
Yep.
Might as well put that on now.
We've got a badge.
Bag.
Oh, we've got a wand as well. Oh, that's cool. Hee. Go for it.
Hello. I'm a fairy.
And charm. That's cute. You love charms, don't you? You love charms.
Charm bracelet.
And that. Oh, we've got another toy inside as well. Cutie.
Aww.
And it's from Ruby.
Thank you,
Look.
Ruby.
That's cute.
Nice. Says to Tiana at the back. Look.
As well, yeah.
Turn it around and then just.
Oh, yeah.
the other way.
We've got another letter
I
inside
love
this
this
as well.
pop.
This is like 2.
Oh, that's a picture.
Oh, look at the Shopkin on this. I know this Shopkin name. Ruby, I know the Shopkin.
What?
Sweeps. Am I right?
I think so. That's the sweeps I got today.
I know that Shopkin Ruby. Sweeps. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you, thank you.
Right,
I'm
okay.
going to open this one. And I'm sorry if I don't get to open your letter. It's my birthday.
Squishy. Squishy
We've
Pop.
sent lots of those today.
Toys are coming in, Tiana, now. We've got loads. Shopkin stickers.
Ooh, I can see the list on it.
One Direction badge. Everybody likes One Direction. Everybody.
My friend absolutely loves One Direction.
Which one? Do I know that friend?
It's not been on my channel. Her name's Amelia.
Oh.
Her little sister loves my channel as well as her. Right, I'm going to finish off this one. Look! Look!
Oh. I think this is from Lydia. I'm sure it is.
Lydia.
See if you can read that name at the bottom there.
Yeah, I think so.
Do you think I might be right? Sorry if I'm wrong.
Like curve.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you so much! And I got some of these.
What are those?
They're like yo-yos and that's black currant.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I got
Any letters?
blind bags. Yeah.
Okay.
I think that one's the letter. Then we've got some drawings.
It is the letter.
Oh, this one's a message.
Well, that's from Poppy.
Thank you, Poppy.
There we go.
Look at this cute rainbow.
Is that so? That's the drawing that came with it as well.
And
Very
this.
nice. Is that another letter?
Is that? Oh, that one. That was
Yeah.
like a message, and it comes with some blind bags. So I think I'll open those. Cool.
Tiana is the best of all.
Aww.
She enjoyed the vlog on the plane. That must have been the Warex tasting. She's saying that in the letter. She enjoyed that. She wants to do another one. But we need to go on another plane, don't we?
Yeah.
Yes, we'll do that when we go on another holiday, definitely, because we had some fun on that plane. Yeah, very cool. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so here's two things I got in the blind bags, and then there's one more right here. Let me just get this one out.
Wow. What have you got here?
I like the pictures at the back.
Yes, there is.
Sunshine.
go
Says
on,
the best.
The best sunshine.
Oh, I just love this rainbow.
Wow. Tiana, there you go.
Oh, they like
And
the little
obviously,
rubbers.
I love the wrapper. Look, the glitter in a little blind bag.
Oh, yeah.
It's from Maddie. Maddie sent
Thank you, Maddie.
And she sent you a cool card. She's drawn that herself. She's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Right, I'm going to dig
The
into this.
detail. Go on then.
Yeah, a lot.
Detail there. And inside. Look at that. Is that a pop-up?
Yeah.
Pop-up.
Nice. Thank you. Okay, so I got a bracelet. Ooh,
So that's
nice. Got a
from the blind bag from Maddie, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's one more. Ooh, I'm not sure what this
That's
is.
cool.
Oh,
Let's
I
have a
like
look at it. That's nice.
Yeah, I like it, but I'm not sure what it is.
That is it's a turtle on the end of there, Tiana, but you don't know what it actually is.
No.
It's different, isn't it?
Yeah. It's really pretty. I love things like that.
Yeah. I'll put that there as well. That's really cool.
I'm going to try this one.
Okay. I'm going to try this one. Wow. I think this is a book. It's thick.
Oh, it says who it's from right there.
That is from Josie from Surrey. She lives in Surrey.
So, thank you.
Josie.
Yep. Let's see. Oh, I got a big blind bag inside. So let's open this. Is that a book?
Yeah, someone sent you a book, but there's no letter. It's a Roald Dahl book, though. Very good author.
Oh, yeah. So let's open this big blind bag. And then,
Loom band time. Catch. Whoa.
oh, that one was rolling on my arm. It was this one. It was like, ooh.
I like videos, toys and me.
Thank
Let's have a
you.
look what else is in there. We've got some drawings.
Oh,
Wow, this is a big big drawing. Look, I can't see Tiana now, look.
Even I've not.
That is cool,
I
though.
can see it from the back. Oh, here's the letter, I think so.
That's from Millie May Bates.
Thank you.
Millie May Bates.
So
Very
this
cool
is-
drawing.
So this is the letter and also a picture.
Is this what come with that? Wow, that's weighty. That's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's see who this is from.
Right, let's open this up. This is
Okay.
like a... Something on my finger is touching me. It just went on my nose and now it's on my... Oh, it's back on my finger.
No names here, Tiana, on this letter. Is that the only letter what came?
Oh, no, that's the one from...
The one before?
Yeah.
That would be Millie. Did I
No,
say?
Jason. I think.
Did you say Jason?
Jason.
Millie May.
No, that's the one you opened.
Oh.
I mean, this one.
Oh, that one. Josie.
Josie.
Josie. Thank
Ooh.
you.
No wonder it's weighty. Got a little
Wow, you got some little erasers.
Got a butterfly, ladybird, frog, a bear. I think that's a cat. Then this one. not sure what that one is. Got an owl, got a whale or a dolphin, got another butterfly.
Wow.
A cow. Moo!
So they are all from Josie then, yeah?
Thank you, Josie.
Look at the decorations on this envelope. Woo! Look.
You can use this for if you get a
That is wicked, that is. Tiana.
Ah, it says my name. I might be able to
No.
if you get some glue and stick it on.
Oh, I wonder who this is.
Ah, I love the eyes.
That's from
The
Frankie.
thumbs up. Thank you, Frankie. I love the thumbs up there.
Cool.
Wow, I love this drawing. It's so nice. Wow, thank you so much.
Right. Right.
I'm going to do
Let's
this
have a look.
one.
Okay.
Whoa, it just
Open this
folded
one.
out. It says open in video. We don't ever open family off camera. We
always try to open all the mail on camera,
Yeah.
but you read the letters, don't you, obviously? We
Yeah.
read them together, don't we?
Yes, but I forgot what I was going to say now. Ooh, got a Luban ball. Look,
Yeah.
like a Luban
Well, we've got a letter from Lauren, age 9, and we've got a bag of goodies as well. So, is there any space on that table for this? Can I just pour them there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh, ooh.
okay. So what have you got there then?
I've got Monster High nail varnish.
Some toy
Oh,
figures?
yeah, got this dolphin. Got Lego.
Got a card here.
Food. Not real food though. Got Ariel.
Oh, that's a nice card that's been sent.
Oh, that's a really nice card. Yeah, really nice.
From Mimic.
Thank you. And what's inside here? Got a shoe. Oh, it's a rubber. It looks a little bit like Sharon's shoe, Shopkins.
Yeah, Toys and Me.
Yeah.
I've got a window in this one, look.
Window.
Peekaboo window. Ooh.
Can you see anything?
I can see a little notebook. Yeah, which
Got
is here.
more Lubans.
There's your notebook. And we've
Thank
got...
you.
Is there anything in that notebook, actually? Oh, I've got the letter here. That's from Lily.
Thank you, Lily. And no, there isn't anything in there. And then got a star. And
Oh,
then
Lily
look.
sent you a Loom as well. Forgot to give you from Lily.
Thank you. So I'm going to get this
I'm
for
going to open this one.
Ooh, looks like they coloured something kid. But it's a little bit ripped at the
We've got-
bottom there.
Rawr. Turtle. Is that Kinder? Kinder Egg toys. Kinder toys.
Yeah, Shopkins Season 2 basket.
This is...
A white
Weird.
caterpillar.
I've got to do that on hand. I've got to do that, and I'll find out who sent you that.
Maybe you can put it on top of there.
Come on.
Oh, right.
Oh, it was going to be home. There you go. Oh dear. Oh, Jordan. She sent you a cool drawing. Look at this. Toys and Me. Oh wow, that is good. I think this is from her. Hold on. She knows you support Liverpool. Yay! Yeah. Fowler. Robbie Fowler. Robbie Fowler. Right, okay. And that's from Esme. I love your Toys and Me. Favourite videos are the ones with Isla and Summer from Esme.
You've had quite a few Esmes.
Yeah.
So thank you, Esme. I think I'm going to do quite a big one.
Are you thirsty? Want a drink? Quick drink for the... We'll do one more letter and we'll have a drink to toast to that last letter, yeah?
Okay.
Right, let me see what drink I can give you. Okay. A bottle opener. toxic slime.
Well, at least it's my favourite.
Tiana likes toxic slime, and Daddy's having dog drool.
I can't remember if that was nice or not. We did a
Hold on,
video
let's do
on
this.
these,
Yeah.
but we had like some 2, so that's why we're opening another one. Because you know, because we had almost 2 of everything.
Yeah, we had doubles, didn't we?
Mhm.
Cheers.
That's not nice.
Ah.
At
Okay.
least mine's nice.
Last letter, you choose one then, Tiana. Then we'll save the rest for another video, okay? I'm going to open this one.
I'm going to try and find this one. For the grand finale. If that's nice.
Toys and Me. A picture for you to colour in.
Ooh.
And, wow, the name there, okay? Oafi. That's from Oafi, Tiana.
Wow.
Yeah, there.
Thank you so much. For
Oh, we've got some 2 humongous blind bags in the bottom of this bag.
And
I'm going to do that.
you won't believe how many stickers on it.
Oh, let's have a look. Is that the one you're opening? Or are you going to open something else? I'll open that.
Okay.
all right.
I'm going to open this one.
I'm going to do these blind bags.
Actually,
Plush.
I'm opening
Plush. Plushies.
I'm opening this one.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Keyring.
Oh.
Zomly.
Zombie.
And I'm going to open this colourful envelope with My Little Pony stickers on.
Right. So now I'm going to open this one.
So that's your last one then, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. We've got Wow, Loom-bound watch. I don't think I've seen one of those before. It's well made. Good, isn't it?
Yes, but how do you turn it on?
And that's from Evie.
Thank you, Evie. I got a friend called Evie.
She's asking you a question, which I know what you're going to say. What's your favourite animal?
Puppy!
Puppy. She loves the doggies. Okay, go for it then. I'm waiting for you now on your last letter for the day.
Oh, the pen sticker.
Wow.
Ooh, no, that isn't a normal pen. It's bubbles as well.
Let's have a look. I'll get a closer look while you're opening the rest. Oh, that is strange.
So I got the letter here.
Okay.
Then
Tell you that's from straight away. Okay.
I got like a little message here.
Oh, okay.
What's this? Is this a water gun?
Yeah, no, there's no water in it. It's going to me.
Shall we test it?
It's going to be fine.
We might have to like clear the table a little bit.
Right, this from...
Oh, I can see lollipop!
Sully, I think this is from Tiana, or Silly. No, it can't be Silly. Silly. Oh, what am I saying? There you go.
I
Anyway.
don't know anyone called Silly. Oh, got lollipop.
Chupa Chups.
Yeah. Then we've got another jewel, but it's got like a hole in it. No, it's not like it's
Chupa
meant
Chups
to. It's like
lollipop.
to put on.
Let's see if they want to lick at this lollipop.
We might be able to use it for the
Maybe.
Even though it's got like the hole for you to put it through the necklaces.
Okay.
And then I can see some candles.
Let's have a look. Oh,
I
yeah.
know my mum might want to use that.
Yes.
She collects lots of candles. Look at this pretty bracelet!
Bracelet.
Thank you so much! You can
Okay.
take a look at that.
Okay.
Then, there's a magnet. There's a magnet, look. Put a message on it.
So look. Friends.
And then there's another message.
Burp, 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 burp.
Now, I do not have an idea what this is. Well, I have an idea, but I
Okay.
think it's a mushy monster.
Okay, pour them there then, so we can see them all. Oh,
Ooh,
squishy
another
pop.
doll.
Oh yeah.
We might be
Nice.
able to use that for Cuddle Bomb as well.
Yeah? So that's your last one. Wow.
Yes.
So we've still got some left, guys, as you can see.
Yes.
There.
I
Some there.
really want to test this.
So we're
water
gonna save them for the next video, okay?
Yes, and test this water gun.
Okay.
Go fill it up.
Go fill it up.
So now it's test time.
What, me?
Yeah.
One squirt. Ah! Yeah, okay, it works. It works. Yeah.
Oh, it's on the wall.
Yes, it works. The order.
I'm attacking you. I'm attacking
Flipping going.
you. This water gun definitely.
Yes, it does.
It goes pretty far as well. And guys, it feels like you're a family to me now, because I love you all, and I'm so grateful for all of this fan mail. And of course, I'm going to save some for my next fan mail videos, and by then the pile will be growing and growing. And if you want to send me any more fan mail, my PO box address is right here. And
Yeah,
I
very
just
grateful.
Got so many
And I've
fan mail.
got so wet. Yeah.
I'm going to fill this up.
No, you're not.
And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.